Welcome to We Love a Challenge, and I'm not quite so sure if I'm loving this one right now at the moment. So it's a cold winter's day, it's raining, and I'm about to get into the engine bay and keep cleaning it, because I've got a video from the engine builders showing me my engine built up and running. They said there's still quite a bit of work to do. So they had it on a bench, they run it up, they've got the raw water pump working again, so that's nice. I'll be able to put that back to how it originally was, rather than using an electrical pump. Yeah, it sounded good, it was running well, it was all built up. They said they got to do a load of testing, put the gearbox on and a number of other bits and bobs to do it, but the point is the engine is up and running and should be ready in the next 2 to 3 weeks, I hope. Just got to figure out how I'm going to put it in after that. So I'm going to crack on this morning. Like I say, it's not the nicest of days. I've now, to clean all this out, I'm going to be flushing a load of water in. Now I'm going to saturate it with, what have I got? I've got this, 3 cans of it. I've also got this. Give it all a good wish-wash. And then I can brush it all clean, take all the rubbish out, and then yeah, wash it out. Get my big bucket of water and flush it all out and suck all the dirty water out, because I don't really want the bilge pump chucking it in the river. Lovely jubbly. All right, I'm going to crack on. So here is a little video of Calcutta boats with my engine on a bench test, up and running, which is great. It sounds good, and you can see it is a slightly different block. As well as that, if you look closely, you can see the water coming out of the exhaust, so the original pump is working well. Right, so what I'm really not looking forward to is cleaning this. So this is where the exhaust runs. The engine would be sort of here, and the exhaust runs down there around the back of my bathroom, under the fireplace, and then up to the back of the boat. This is all getting pulled out. We're fitting a new exhaust. But yeah, I'm going to start cleaning this. So I have one brush, a load of degreaser. There we go, like so. And I'm going to start to get this sorted. So we're getting there. This is my chimney sweep, but it's working quite well on the end of the drill as a cleaner. Yeah, that's looking lovely. Well, better, not lovely. Still got a bit more work to do here. Getting there. See, that's my exhaust down there as well. So I took the front bit of the exhaust off. I'm pretty sure it's 38mm in a diameter. So this whole section here goes right round to the back of the boat, and that needs to be replaced. So yeah, but now I don't mind crawling down there so much. It's not absolutely filthy. I'm still not quite finished. You see the bits at the back as well. I can't quite reach them. I can crawl into this gap, but as you can imagine, there's not much room for manoeuvre. So I might have one more go at getting down here and just getting that last bit of scuzz right out the back. Yeah, happy Saturday. Oh, be careful. Oh, that's my vape, and it's just fallen into the oil. That's great. So, I would say I'm getting there. There's always casualties when you're at war because, yeah, my vape took a hit, as you probably heard. But, yeah, quite happy to crawl down there now with my new exhaust. Yeah, just got to start doing this bit over. Let me get the torch on it. Hang on. This bit over here. Looks lovely, doesn't it? I think you can sort of see all of that. Yeah, so I'm going to have a little break and then crack on, I guess. So, thanks for watching. Yeah, well, we're getting there today. I've taken out all of the Victron stuff. I've curled up all the cables. So we got all your engine loom, earth cables. I've got a couple to remove. I broke my drill brush a couple of times. That was fun. And I snapped the end off. So luckily I've had to repair it, and it's fine. This thing's been brilliant. And we got this stuff as well. Look, it says tough on grease. Now, I think I'm putting this to the test to the extreme, and it's been pretty good, to be fair. Yeah. So we're about to sort of clean this side now. What have I done with the lid? That's over there, right. Let's put a load of that in there. Tons of that, have some of that. There we go. Yeah, plenty of that, no messing around. Oh, loads and loads and loads. It's not a good thing, I can fill up my washing up liquid bottle with this as well. Oh, sweet, look, blah blah blah, tons of that. 2 cans of degreaser used. Yeah, onwards and upwards, I'd say. So, I'll keep you posted.